Hello everyone, I am Vansh Sharma and I work as an associate software developer at ISRO. Welcome back to the Cloud Code series. In previous video, we learn about agent loop. In today's video, we will cover what is session, what happened during session, why is the session life cycle important. First, we understand what is session. A session represents the complete iteration between the user and Claude. It begins the moment you send your first request and continue until Claude completes the task or the session end. Think of it as a workspace where Claude keeps track of everything happening during your conversation. Instead of treating every message independently, Claude uses the session to understand the context, process your request and produce accurate response. Whether you are asking a simple question or building an entire application, everything happens within a single session. That's all about a session. Guys, I also mentioned this image. You can understand the life cycle of session. Now guys, you have an idea of session. We will mark down as a done. Now we start understanding what happened during session. Now let's see what happened while a session is active. First, Claude maintain the conversation context. It remember the previous message, so it can provide responses that are consistent with the ongoing discussion. Next, Claude monitors the available context window. It can provide responses that are consistent with the ongoing discussion. And next, Claude monitors the available context window. This ensures it know how much information can still be processed during the current session. If your task requires additional capabilities, Claude can access tools through the coding harness. The harness is responsible for surely executing tools such as reading files, running commands, or performing code-related operations. Claude then works through the multiple iterations of the agent loop. In each iteration, it analyzes the task, decide whether a tool is required, execute that tool if necessary, evaluate tools if necessary, evaluate the result and the continues until the objective is achieved. Throughout this process, Claude also maintains temporary working memory. This helps it keep track the intermediate steps and information while solving your task. This memory exists only for the current session. Finally, after completing unnecessary actions, Claude generates the final response and returns it to the user. That's all about what happened during session. We will mark down as a done, guys. Now we start understanding why is the session life cycle is important. Understand the session life cycle is important because it explains how Claude process a request for beginning to the end. Most important, it helps developers understand when different events occur during a session. This is where Claude hook become powerful. Hooks are triggered at a specific stage of the session life cycle. Developers can use them observe, validate, or modify Claude's behavior before or after certain action take place. For example, a hook can automatically format code before it's saved, perform a security check after a command execute, or log important event during the session. In short, a session lifecycle provides the foundation for how Claude works, while hooks allow developers to customize and automate behavior at a different stage of that life cycle. That's all about why session life cycle is important. Now guys, you have an idea of why is the session life cycle important. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe for more content on AI, Cloud Code. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.